Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra heating while charging. So first, what you guys want to do is understand that it's normal if you charge your device using fast charging. And to check if you do, you go over into the settings. So once you open up the settings, you scroll down to battery. And here in the battery, we will simply go and click on charge boost. Now, if charge boost was enabled, then that means your device was fast charging, and it is normal that it's heating up because it charges your battery faster, and it is trying to optimize it so it's safe. But of course, heating up is something that will be here. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to check for any background apps causing heat and high power. So go to battery usage, and here we have some apps that we have used. Let's say last 14 days, it won't change for me. Now, for example, if we have a health app, you can choose your app of your choosing. We have manage app battery usage. We click don't allow, and now it is disabled. As you guys can see, I can do that for every single app. Well, not really every single app. Of course, we're not going to do that to system apps, but apps like this are not allowed on the background anymore. And of course, what are we going to do next is so we need to use an original charger and a cable. So this is really important, because if we do not use an original charger and a cable, then the phone may just not be compatible at all. Of course, if we charge our phone, we want to make sure that we avoid it. So avoid using your phone while charging it so that your battery is not heating up even more. Don't play games on it, don't watch YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, etc. And of course, remove the case to improve heat dissipation. So as you guys can see, I do have a case here. Now you guys can simply just take it off like this, and of course we're gonna do that for the second one right here. And now it is just going out, and we basically got our phone without a case. So that's how it looks like, of course. And as a last resort, make sure to charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. This is very important because whenever we charge our phone in the sun, for an example, it can cause some issues, and the issues are definitely with the battery. So that's why we want to make sure that there's no issues and that we charge it in a cool and ventilated area. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.